what are some of the things that you mostly recommend to get automated and outsourced? And what are some of your tips for attorneys when it comes to like outsourcing it and automating these tasks?
Yeah, so there's a few things. First of all, I'm a big believer in a virtual receptionist, having someone answer your phones 24/7. I was surprised. My first cohort of lawyers who are all amazing, and I was so grateful to be working with them all. But I would say about 70% of them didn't have someone answering their phones 24/7. Many of them were just answering that. I couldn't believe it. I was like, when was the last time you called your doctor? And the doctor picked up, Again, I can see that you agree with that. So there's some simple steps that you can take. Get someone answering your phones 24/7, and then what you want to do, and this is another trick that I've learned, is your Google profile. You should have a Google profile for your business, right? You know how when you Google a business that pops up. When you've got someone answering your phone 24/7, then you can put on your Google profile that you're open 24/7. Now, what that means is that if they pick up the phone and they call, first of all, I get phone calls from prospects that I don't answer, of course, but they come in at 9 o'clock at night, 10 o'clock at night. People are poking around online. They're looking, they have questions. They're going to call you. You're going to get that business that someone says they closed at 5 is not going to get. And then you get a message from the answering service, and you can look at the lead and decide if you want to respond. I'm not saying you've got to respond to leads at 3 a.m, but I'm saying that you want to capture those leads, right? So first of all, get a virtual receptionist. Get an online booking system. I use Calendly. That's the most common one, I think. And it amazes me the number of people who are taking appointments over the phone, or they just don't have a system in place. All of my meetings, and when you're in estate planning, you can run people through the same meetings. It's all automated, right? No one ever calls me on the phone or deals with a receptionist. People want to book online. I want to book online. If I'm going to the vet or the nail salon or whatever, I want to book online. So those are a couple of things that you can do that are really easy to implement for estate planning.